This little bird's like right above me. Ooh. Not no more. There's his friend right there. Look. He's right above me. They came up and said hi. They're only about, he's about 7-8 feet away. That's not bad. If birds normally don't make it a habit of getting right up on you. But, you know, it's like me, you know. The animals are my friends, you know. So, I think they feel that vibe coming off me. So they come in a little closer than they do just random people. Like they consistently come in closer on me. Cause I make an attempt to communicate with them all the time, as you know, as I've showcased on many a video.